What is accumulated depreciation? Accumulated depreciation is the total amount of depreciation expense that has been recorded for an asset since it was purchased. In simple words, accumulated depreciation shows how much value of an asset has been used up over time. Businesses buy long-term assets such as machines, vehicles, buildings, and equipment to use for many years. These assets lose value gradually due to usage, wear and tear, or aging. This loss in value each year is called depreciation. Accumulated depreciation is the total of all depreciation recorded from the time the asset was bought until the present date. It is not a separate expense. Instead, it is a running total of past depreciation expenses. Accumulated depreciation appears on the balance sheet under fixed assets. It is shown as a Contra asset account. A Contra asset account reduces the original cost of the asset. For example, suppose a company buys machinery for $10,000. If a company records $1,000 depreciation each year, after 3 years the accumulated depreciation will be $3,000. The book value of the asset becomes $7,000. Book value equals original cost minus accumulated depreciation. Accumulated depreciation helps businesses show the true remaining value of assets. It also follows the matching principle by spreading the cost of an asset over its useful life. When the asset is sold or disposed of, accumulated depreciation related to that asset is removed from the accounts. In simple terms, accumulated depreciation is the total decrease in an asset's value since it was purchased. Easy way to remember. Accumulated depreciation means total depreciation added over time.